See, Dan, I have 2 of these and they're just beautiful. And even if I could unscrew the dome, I mean, I'd like to get the whole fan fixed, but nobody for a year and a half can tell me how. And I have 2 of them and I'm sick because I love them. And again, it says Hampton Bay on there, but they can't help me. No third-party people can help me. I saw your thing and I thought, well, here's the expert. So it's like they go on, and then when I turn, like here, the light goes on, but then it buzzes. They're just so beautiful. I just hoping you can give me some advice. Thank you. Okay, so I don't know of a setting, but it turns the light on. And then when I pull this one, I don't know, it makes a buzzing noise. And then they don't spin. It's like they're stuck. And the lights work. I just love the beveled dome. If I could just replace the dome into any fan you have or recommend. I mean, ideally I'd like to fix them, but, and this one, it turns on by a switch, light switch on the wall. Oh shoot, wrong one. Wrong one. Oh my God, what's the problem? But again, it's easier to see. It won't spin. And then this one is like easy to pull. This one's like stuck.